This is Dr. Grego. We're back, and if you watched last week's episode about yeast and fungus and bad bacteria and those cravings, those emotional cravings when you feel like you just have to eat, and then I said that it's really not you, it's them. So how do we clean up them? Well, it's really tough. I'm going to be honest with you. Those guys eat almost anything and everything. And what I mean, anything that turns into a sugar, a simple carb, even complex carbs. When eventually, if you don't burn them, they'll break down into a sugar, and those guys just go crazy. So essentially, we're talking about proteins, and in particular, eggs, fish, and turkey bacon. So turkey bacon, fish, and eggs, the types of proteins that you should be eating. Now, when it comes to vegetables, there are some high fiber, low glycemic, like broccoli and cauliflower, and even asparagus. So you want to keep on those. Make sure you increase the water, right? Because you don't want to give them anything. And when you eat a salad, which is also okay, but you can't have any buttermilk dressing or ranch dressing or blue cheese or even French dressing. You have to have just oil and vinegar, maybe a little Celtic sea salt in there as well. Because any type of other dressing, they will eat it, they will grow, you will still have that craving, and you'll still want to eat bad things. And you'll think it's you, and it's really not. So you need to give yourself at least 4 to 6 weeks to get those yeast out of your body and get those critters back down to a reasonable level where they're back in harmony or back in balance with your body. Okay, so that's how we clean up the yeast in the body. Good luck. Remember, don't hit the snooze button. Stay awake for your health, your family's health, and more importantly, your children's health. So this is Dr. Grego saying thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next week.